Hello YouTubers, I just got my Insta360 X4 camera. We'll just do quick unboxing what is in the camera, in the package. Of course, first camera, has battery, USB socket, four microphones, here, 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 and here. The lenses are still protected. Let's see what's in here. I think this is carrying pouch. Very soft. USB cable, one soft cloth for lenses, and thermal protection. Think like this, or maybe like this. Yes. No, of course not. It is on. They say this is if you use it in non-windy environment, it protects from heating. We'll see about that in future. But still something. I think there should be lens protectors. Yes, they are. Here is the lens protector and some paperwork, warranty and instructions and all this. First we should remove these protectors. From lenses. From screen. I have from battery. We have this pouch. Cleaning cloth. To clean lens. And then you have to put protecting lens. It's just put and twist. Simply. It should be very simple. Yes, it's on. Look. This is on, this is not yet. Very simple to use. We'll see how it performs. I would use it mostly on my motorbike. Thank you for watching. I will do next video for other accessories. Thank you. I bought this camera Insta360 X4 to bring more details in my videos for my viewers. You can see much more where I write about panorama and everything. I hope this will much improve my videos. I'm learning. This is just my first sample. Maybe I will succeed. Not maybe. I will succeed. Of course. What do you think about my first try? We'll see how it will look on my bike, on my travels. Thank you.